Hi everyone, I'm Tucker from the Clearview Library District, and I'm excited to bring you the 4th Summer Adventure Children Challenge. For the 4th challenge, we'd like you to read a book that describes a dish or a meal. Maybe it's a treacle tart from Harry Potter or a Turkish delight from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. Whatever book you choose, we just want you to find a recipe for a dish or a meal and get cooking. If a recipe doesn't exist for the dish that you've chosen, we challenge you to come up with your own recipe. For your submission, take a picture of the dish that you've prepared and just send it to us. You can get your parents' help to tag us on either Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag ClearviewAdventure, or you can email a picture of your submission to submissions@clearviewlibrary.org. Please use the subject challenge number 4 for your email submissions. The random winner of challenge number 4 will win a teepee tent. It's pretty awesome. Also, all participants will be entered into our grand prize drawing, which will take place at the end of the summer. And finally, we hope that you'll join us on our YouTube channel on July 29th for Getting Crafty with Miss Chelsea. Chelsea will inspire you for challenge number 4 by making a chocolate bar that is inspired by Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We can't wait to see what you cook up, and thanks for watching.